Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at VIR with the Shelby. He's sitting right over there. Show you where we're sitting here, waiting for our turn to go. Still some cars running around. They still got a couple minutes left. Hey man. How you doing? This is it. Here's where we are. I think that was our final lap, final couple laps. Time for the next group to go out. Alright, so we have done our first session. It was about 25-30 minutes. I'm not sure how many laps we went. The car did absolutely fantastic. I had to get the brakes flushed before we started today. But it took about half an hour. I missed the first session, but we were able to get out on the second one. We got grandfather sleeping over here, taking a nap in the sun. She did good. Tires got hot, nice and sticky. Everything looked good temp-wise. It stayed where it needed to be. Pulled it back over here into the pit section. Had a little bit of a coolant leak. Looks like it was coming out of the overflow. Just a little bit too much in it, and it started to puke a little out. Not much. I just took the cap off. We've been sitting here about an hour and a half now, and she's right where it needs to be, so we're gonna send it around the track one more time. I think there's two more. Yeah, I think there's two more. I'm gonna run one more. This next one's here in a few minutes, and then grandfather's gonna run the last one. I'm gonna have some GoPro footage up for it. Not sure how good of a quality it's gonna be or how good it's gonna look, but I do have it sitting up there in the middle to catch some of the behind the instructor car, which is the blue Shelby GT350 sitting right there. We're going to be behind him. He's the instructor for the little class that I'm running in today, since I haven't been around VIR before. Well, I went around one time a few years ago in somebody else's car, so this is the first time I've drove. So I had to get an instructor, and basically it's a chase car. Just following him, and there's another guy that's got a red Shelby who's usually parked right here where I'm standing. Who's got a couple buddies on the other side, so that's where he is. But we flip back and forth between me and the red car chasing the blue one. Done pretty good so far. You guys see in the car footage of me chasing the two, and a couple of passing scenes where each of us have to swap places. That is instructed by the driver, or excuse me, that is instructed by the instructor for us to switch spots. But we will catch back up here in just a little while. Here it comes. Oh, he had to let off because they let off.
Is he driving or Grandpa?
He's driving. Grandpa's right.
Your head's gonna bonk and everything. Yes, let's get that in. All right, I'm impressed. Good deal, man. All right, so I'll let you grab that right there. Okay, we're gonna get you.
Alright, so we are back. We went for round 2. Everything was good, just as I expected. Grandpa is going to go for round 3. He is currently on the track in a blue S2000 running around. I think I hear him. Let's see if we can take a look and see Grandpa flying around in this blue S2000. He might, if he likes this, then they said he could drive the car for the final session. So we'll keep it moving. There he is, right there. Yep, Grandpa's in that one. They are hauling some ass. Hell yeah, cool. Well, I'll catch back up here in just a few minutes. All right, so we decided to cut it a little short. Grandpa wasn't feeling all the greatest after the last run, so I decided we ain't gonna go out for again tonight. Cars, you know, been running hot all day anyway. But that's gonna conclude our session here at VIR. I will be back. They have another another event coming up in September, and we will be back running in a different group probably, since I've gotten a couple some good seat time under my belt. Usually after a couple days here at the track, they throw you into another group, so maybe next group will go a little bit faster. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and hustle harder.